Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X. This one has the Pro Convenience Pack and the Technology Pack, as well as the Bed Access Package, tailgate audio by Kicker, Pro-4X mud flaps. This thing is absolutely loaded for an as-tested original MSRP of $45,700. Look at this. Ooh, it's windy today. Completely redesigned. This is Boulder Gray. Oh my goodness. Pro-4X on the seats. Kick plates. Why is it so windy? It was not windy 10 minutes ago. All right. Wireless charging. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, part of the Pro Convenience. All right. Whew. So, map. It's actually a decent screen. So, I've obviously spent time in the previous gen. I've driven the 2020, the 21 Pro-4X, and now this one. What do I think? Before, in the other videos, I said I liked the other one better because I had only driven this for like 5 miles. Now I've driven it for about 25 miles. They're completely different trucks. At the end of the day, they're extremely similar, but they don't really drive like it. The other one, previous gen, is definitely more simplistic, whereas this one takes that and adds a bunch of technology. Again, this is a loaded one. But there's something different about this truck. It drives much more modern. That's probably what it is. It's just, the previous gen was unchanged for what? 10, 15 years, almost 20 years. It's about time that it got a complete overhaul and brought into the modern day. New engine, instead of 4-liter, it's a 3.8. 9-speed automatic, although that was brought in for, I think, 2020 or 2021. So that's not completely all new. But the interior, exterior, everything is different. Not bad for power delivery. Not bad at all. It's definitely got some torque. Engine really comes alive in the upper RPMs. It's definitely an NA V6. I definitely think the new Frontier drives beefier. Now again, I'm in the Pro-4X, but I stepped out of the Pro-4X. That was the last Frontier I drove, the 21 Pro-4X. This one drives a bit more muscular. I don't know if it's the appearance or what, but it's definitely more truck-like. And that's not to say the previous gen wasn't just a simple work truck. This one feels bigger than it is. And that is definitely a compliment, because the previous gen Frontier felt a little small. Because it was. This one definitely, yeah. This one definitely it feels like it's punching above its weight class. I'll also say this one, I'd be much more willing to daily drive than the other one. I don't feel like I'm compromising. But like I said, the two trucks really couldn't feel more different. If you start taking it down to the bare bones, yeah, they're similar. But when you add in everything between the two trucks, because both trucks were fully loaded Pro-4Xs, this one just is, it's not like it. It's completely different. Which leads me to the conclusion. Which one's better? Which one do I like more? To be honest with you, I'd take this one. But if I wanted a bare bones work truck, something that just felt utilitarian and tough, previous gen's where it's at. This definitely has all those modern features, and if you're somebody that doesn't like that, previous gen's probably more for you. But if you want a truck that does it all and isn't a compromise every day, this is where this thing shines. I said in the previous ones that the Tacoma, the Ranger, they all felt ahead of the Frontier. This truck finally puts Nissan back on a level playing field with them, if not slightly above. So I would say finally the Frontier is playing on the same, Frontier of the other mid-sized trucks. It's been brought into the modern day, and it's finally something that's a worthy competition to all the new trucks out there. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.